Hello, science fans. Let's talk about something that's happening inside you right now. No, not your lunch digesting, although that's related. We're talking about energy. You know how you need to eat food to run, jump? Think about your favorite video game? Well, your cells, the tiny building blocks that make up all of you, need energy too. They can't just order a pizza or grab a burger. Instead, they have their own microscopic kitchen, a bustling factory working non-stop to keep the lights on. It's a wild, crazy party happening in trillions of places inside your body at this very second. Consider it. Deep inside your cells are these little bean-shaped power plants called mitochondria. Think of them as the bustling energy factories of your cellular city. And inside these factories, there's a main event. A spectacular molecular square dance that gets everyone energized. This isn't just any dance. It's a highly organized, super efficient process. But instead of music fancy outfits, it uses molecules, enzymes. This amazing process is called the Krebs cycle. But that sounds a bit too serious, doesn't it? All right, the party is starting. Our guest, acetyl-CoA Andy, arrives, holding his 2-carbon gift. At the door, he's greeted by a 4-carbon molecule we'll call oxaloacetate Olivia. Olivia is the official party host. She's always there at the beginning, and you'll see, she's there at the end, too. She grabs Andy's hand and they combine, forming a brand new 6-carbon molecule. This new molecule is the one and only citrate, the first official dancer in our conga line. This is why the Krebs cycle is also called the citric acid cycle. It all starts here, with this molecular meet and greet. Now that citrate is formed, the conga line starts moving. The cycle is basically a series of steps where our citrate molecule gets modified again and again. Think of it like a wild conveyor belt in a candy factory. At each station, a different worker, an enzyme, does something new. In one step, a carbon atom is lopped off, released as carbon dioxide. That's the very stuff you breathe out. Poof, gone. At the same time, this little chemical haircut releases a burst of energy, which is immediately captured by a special energy carrier molecule, like a tiny rechargeable battery getting its first bit of juice. The dance continues, and our molecule, now with 5 carbons, keeps getting passed along the conga line. At the next station, another enzyme worker steps in and, you guessed it, chops off another carbon atom. Whoosh! More carbon dioxide is released, and another little energy battery gets charged up. Let's talk about those little rechargeable batteries I mentioned. These are the unsung heroes.